Hi guys, welcome to Tacting channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be talking about how to open a Discord account. So let's go to the browser first. Then right here Discord. Then click on the first link, Discord, this one. Then you have to go here, login. But you don't have any account yet. You are new here. You have to open new account. So go here, register. Then write your email address here. Okay, display name. What name should be displayed to others? Username should be what? 25. If you only use words, it will not support, so you have to add the numbers 1 to 3, or you can add any numbers. I'm choosing 1 to 3. Now give your password. I have already give the password. Password should be contained with numbers, symbols, and your word. Symbols, what is symbol? This one, exclamatory or at the rate or hash, or this one, it is symbol. You have to use these symbols in your password. So what is date of birth? Choose your date of birth. You must be 13 years old. Okay, otherwise Discord is not allowed you to open an account. If you want to email in your regular updates in your mail, then just click this. I don't want this. So if you are a human, click on this. Okay, it is examining you. So if there are none, click skip. Please click and each image containing alpaca. What is alpaca? If you don't like this one, you can recycle this. Panda. It's not clicking, it's not working here. I don't know why. Okay, I'm doing again. Image containing a sea lion. This one. Click on verify. Okay, if you want to save your whole email and password, click save. Just put on no thanks. Create your first Discord server. If you want to create a server, you can choose anything. Gaming, for me and friends. Okay, or if you don't want to, just click here. Your account is ready. Okay guys, so this is how you can open a Discord account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.